Hello mga ate, mga kuya. Today is Sunday. I will speak in English because some people might be interested in this content. We are going to a park here in Quezon City, and it is 9:14 a.m. and December 29, Sunday. So I will try to fly a drone that I bought. This is the Zero Tech. Wow, that is super blown out. Zero Tech Dobby, super old drone, 3 years old, but it's gotten a good price drop these days. This is my first flight with the Zero Tech Dobby, so that will be interesting. But anyway, one thing that I want to do. This is not necessarily a vlog about the Dobby. This is actually a vlog shot on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10, and I am shooting the vlog on the Mi Note 10 exclusively because this is the last of the content that I need to produce before I put up my final review of the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 with its 108 megapixel main camera. Of course, we're not using the main camera right now, but before I finish off the review, I want to produce a vlog using only the Mi Note 10, editing on the Mi Note 10. One thing that I'm cheating on is we have an external mic, which thankfully the Mi Note 10 supports for vlogging. So that is one thing that's good. The stabilization on the front cam is not existent, so it's going to be shaky if you stand and walk, or even just moving my hand. But the main camera has optical stabilization, has electronic image stabilization, so the main camera can do pretty good video, but I should look at the lens. Where's the lens? There it is. But this sort of vlog is the one that should prove it to you if you are interested in the Mi Note 10 for vlogging, and also as proof of my review, this is the Mi Note 10 vlog. And today, what we're gonna do is fly my Dobby. Dobby free, set to be free. All right, let's get to it. Should be reaching the park in maybe 9:40-ish. All right, so here's what we'll be using today. This is our bag. Gonna bring an umbrella. Gonna bring, some wireless headphones if we need it. And then here is a bag. There's the Dobby, there's our external microphone. I'm using the internal mic of the Mi Note 10 right now. This is just a fold-out fan, which I'll use as the landing strip. And here is my Galaxy A50s. That will be the remote for the Dobby. Hopefully, we'll be flying in a little bit. Okay, so you're feeling the effects of no electronic stabilization on front-facing camera, video. And you're also feeling the effects of no external microphone, so we're using the internal mic of the Mi Note 10 while vlogging. So as you can see, it's pretty shaky. I'm gonna stop now. A couple of reasons why we're going to try to fly a drone at this hour. All right, main camera now, shooting in 4K if I'm not mistaken. So reason is December 29, early in the morning, or at least morning time. Probably not a lot of people awake. Sunday, people don't usually get up in the morning early on Sunday. So hopefully the park is empty. If it's full of children, we will have to cancel. Okay, we're at the corner of Maginhawa and Malingap in Sikatuna. And if you want some fireworks in Sikatuna, there's dragon fireworks here at the corner where the waiting shed for, I don't know, taxis used to be, right next to the old Buy and Tell building, which is owned by Globe now. Okay, I'm shooting in ultrawide because we can. And also I can show you this building here that looks very much like a Chinese building. Does not remind me of a Chinese flag, red with stars. Okay. Okay, nandito na tayo. At least isa sa mga park Okay, shooting ultra wide. Ito yung playground mostly for was it elementary school kids. There's a slide, there's a swing. No, I don't see a swing. There's a climbing house, there's some slides and whatnot. I don't know what the other ones are called, but we're moving to the other park just because there's more open space there. There are a lot of trees here, so not a lot of drone flying places here. And that is 5 times. I don't think we can say there's much improvement there. Huh, okay. We're at 6 times now. I'm zooming down. Oh, you can zoom down 2 times. Wait, is this a recent app update? Oh, you just can't go to ultra wide, but I can go up to 6 times there. Okay. Okay, this is the other playground, which doesn't seem to have anybody in it. Hopefully it's open. There's a cool dog right there, just lying out there. There you go. So, lots more open airspace here. I'm not gonna fly high. Ah, there's some kids over there. But this whole place is pretty open, so that's cool. Alright guys, so we have found a possible launch point right in front of me here. There's not a lot of people except for little doggy right there, rooster, and some people planning some gardening stuff. Hopefully they won't mind. And this is the Mi Note 10, of course, selfie camera. There's a bit of a breeze coming. You can see from the tree right here, but it seems to be far away from most people. So, and I'm not gonna fly the drone very high. Drone only lasts about 9 minutes maximum, so we might get 7 minutes, and then we're going back home. I don't have any extra batteries yet, and stuff like. Look at my eye bags though. I haven't slept yet, so see if we can set up a drone here. Get some flying out. Alright, absolutely the first time we are going to fly. Hopefully this works. I'm going to start recording with my Dobby. And we are taking off at negative 22.5 degrees of camera. Ooh, there it is. Oh, there am I. Ah, that's me. I'm fat AF. Let's go up a little bit. Ooh, that's scary. Dog is not happy. There's a drone. We flying. We flying. Yeah, it's focusing on the drone. Look at that. Oh no. It's trying to fight the wind. That's my wrist-mounted cell phone, by the way. That's cool. Haha. Probably can't hear me because of all the noise, because I didn't put on my external microphone. The focus on the Mi Note 10 is not picking up the drone. It likes to see the background more. It's not easy to force the focus on the drone, so that's unsuccessful. Can we remove the focus thingy? I can't. I don't know. Maybe I have to stop recording right now. I'm going to attempt the craziest thing in history while recording with one hand, and also the phone on my wrist. My other phone on my wrist. I'm gonna attempt a palm landing. I'll put out my palm here. Please. Oh my god. Oh. That worked. Oh god. Yeesh. Ugh. I don't have any more hands. Okay, put that over here. So she can definitely fly, and she can definitely hover, at least for about 6 feet high. I don't know what else I'm gonna try. It's burning battery right now, 67%. So we got another couple of flights, maybe. Try a couple more things, and then that's it for our drone flight for today. Alright, we are on the air, in the air. I'm gonna set the electronic stabilization on the camera. Okay, there we go. I forgot to do that earlier. So, start recording. And then we are going to go up a little bit. Ooh, that's scary. Please don't be destroyed. Oh, that's high. That's 10 feet? Yeah, Mi Note 10 zoom. That's what my Galaxy S10 Plus can't do, eh? Oh yeah, oh that's high. That is like 12 feet up there. Haha. I don't know what to do now. You can't really. Oh crap! It's sort of drifting. That's not good. It's pointed. Yeah. So it's going to the road. I don't want to do that. I'm trying to nudge it back a little bit. So it does drift a little bit. You gotta be careful. Okay, back off, back off. Okay, that's scary. That is super scary. I don't want to risk it any further. This place is really really not crowded, but cramped. It's lots of places to crash. I'll lower just down to maybe 14 feet. I don't want to risk turning the yaw because that's scary. I'm gonna yaw over here to my side. Okay. It yaws pretty well. Okay, too much. I should try to use my remote control. Okay, I'm here. You can see me on the... oh, you can't see me anymore. Is it 5 feet? No, it's not even 5 meters high. I can't track myself right now. Oh, I can do return home though. Hang on. Okay, let's move it forward. I'm gonna do, no, I'll stand over here. Still hovering, 24% battery, we're running out. So, where is it? Oh, it's right. I'm gonna push it forward. There it is. That's cool. I should then have to hold my Mi Note 10 to record it because I can't use my wrist mounted. That's what it's seeing right now on my wrist. Where are you? That's me. There you go. That's me right there. That's cool. It's still hovering. We're at okay. We're lower 16%. I do not want to risk it. We're gonna go home. Stop recording on the drone. We're gonna hit return to home. Okay, return to home, please. Oh, that's pretty close. Wait. Okay. So we started our flight here. This is where we started our flight. That's where it ended up. That's a good 6 feet from where I am. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know, 4 feet, 5 feet? It's not that close, but I mean, if it was 4 feet that way, it'd hit that. 4 feet this way, it'd hit that. 4 feet that way, it'd be safe. That's ultra-wide. Epic B-roll. Okay, we're walking home from the park using external mic now, so you don't have to hear the tricycles passing by. Our Dobby's less than 9 minutes. Flight time is up. So we're headed home. That's our... It's hard when you don't have extra batteries yet. And it's gonna take a while before the extra batteries come. For now, it's good to try, you know, flying when you can, get that experience. And yeah, front-facing camera, Mi Note 10, no stabilization, external mic. All right, we are walking home, shooting with the ultra-wide external microphone on the Mi Note 10, of course. And I bought something. This is for the content. The YouTube content. Why is it called Dragon Bees? If you collect all the Dragon Bees, you can ask for one wish from the legendary Dragon Bee. So that's it. We bought some Dragon Bee fireworks and we are walking home, and it's getting pretty sunny out there. There's a birdie. We're at 6 times. Zoom. Oh, not bad. Is it 1 times? No, 2 times. Hindi ako makabalik sa 5. Sa 6. So hindi ako makabalik sa 1x. There's our... I don't know what it is. It's a bird. Alright guys, that is our vlog for today. I slept in. Our vlog for today on the Mi Note 10. Yeah, so we shot some telephoto video, we shot some ultra-wide video, we shot some regular video, we shot selfie. Selfie is 1080p, and then main camera and then rear camera video is 4K. So we are going to render this in 4K. We are fully editing this, and I'm almost done editing this video on the Mi Note 10 using Power Director. So yeah, we are about to show you the video quality of a vlog shot on the Mi Note 10. So that is our day of droning for 9 minutes. For like, that is like Ultraman level of short flight type of thing. Once we get our extra batteries, it'd be better. But hope you enjoyed the vlog, and hope the video quality is shown on the Mi Note 10, so you can see the video quality. So subscribe to Alexei Rivera. Look for Alexei Rivera on YouTube. I got a couple of channels going. One of the main channel, you're watching this on the secondary channel because this is like extra content. Please subscribe, please like, please leave a comment if you want to see more of this content, to see more what can the video, what can the camera, what can the phone do in terms of vlogging and stuff like that. So I'll see you next time. Subscribe to Alexei Rivera. Just type it in YouTube, Alexei Rivera, ALEXEIRIVERA. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.